Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change screen lock in Android phone. So let's get started. So to change screen lock in your Android device, what you can do is just simply open up your settings application. After opening up your settings application, just scroll down, and after scrolling down here you can find this option which is security. So just tap on it, and after opening up your security, now if you scroll down you will find this section which is device security. So inside that device security section you can find these following options, which are screen lock, fingerprint, face unlock, and smart lock. So now what you can do is just tap on this option which is screen lock. After tapping on that option, now if you want to change your screen lock, what you can do is just simply enter the current screen lock that you have set on your device. So after entering your current screen lock, now what you can do is just change your device screen lock. So there are a bunch of options, like you can swipe to open up your screen lock, you can also use a pattern, you can also use a pin or a password. So select any one of these options. After selecting the option, now what you can do is just add a screen lock. So you have to enter the same screen lock twice, and after entering that, just tap on confirm. And after tapping on confirm, you have successfully changed screen lock in your Android device. So that's it guys, this is how to change screen lock in Android phone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.